the Indian Railway has initiated to incorporate 4D bridge information modeling for bridge inspection. This innovative approach, which combines 3D modeling with the existing bridge data like point cloud and oblique images for inspection and health monitoring to overcome the traditional inspection method, which is not only compromises on safety of the worker but also time-consuming. North Western Railway Division of Indian Railway has awarded the work to Monarch for digital twin modeling for inspection of railway bridges using drone and terrestrial mapper. The railway bridge number 18 is located over Indira Gandhi Canal connecting Jaipur to Hanumanghar Junction at kilometer 28.610. Ground Control Point (GCP) planning was done to ensure accurate georeferencing. GCPs were strategically placed around the bridge and its approaches, considering accessibility and line-of-sight requirements for optimal data acquisition. DGPS observations has been carried out. Traversing was conducted using high-precision instrument line TS scanner to establish a reliable coordinate framework. Using the SX12, high-resolution point cloud data and 360 degrees panoramic images were captured for documentation of the bridge's geometry, surface conditions, and surroundings. The collected point cloud data and panoramic images was processed using specialized software to refine accuracy and align the dataset with the coordinate. Using Autodesk Revit, a detailed 3D model of the bridge was created based on RDSO drawing. The refined point cloud was seamlessly integrated with the Revit 3D model, ensuring that the virtual representation accurately reflected the as-is conditions of the bridge. A thorough analysis was conducted to compare dimensions derived from the point cloud against the RDSO specifications. Discrepancies, if any, were identified and noted. The 360 degrees panoramic views captured were utilized to visually inspect and analyze bridge member joints and supports to identify potential issues and providing actionable insights for maintenance planning. The leverage of 4D information modeling in bridge inspection will ease the monotonous inspection method, which not only compromises on safety of the worker but also time-consuming. 4D BRIM model initiative supports decision-making processes related to bridge for scheduled maintenance, ensuring safety and structural integrity, reflecting Indian Railways' commitment to modernization and safety for bridge inspection. Thank you.